Broadcast Jamaican now give the news in the Jamaican language.
Wagwan, this is Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, let me give the headlines. The Ministry for Health has said the vaccine no kill nobody in the country. One-time police commissioner Roy Thompson dead. Police lock up one woman for dash chemical upon some people in one bus. Make sure you follow our YouTube page Broadcast Jamaican for hear more news and like the video after you done listen. Now for the news. The Ministry for Health and Wellness, MOHW, reports that nobody no dead from the vaccine after them take it in Jamaica since the 6 months them start the people. According to Dr. Melody Ennis, or the Director for Family Service in the MOHW, 11 people dead after them take the vaccine, but 9 out of them people dead from other cause, so the vaccine kill them. But the other 2 people were dead, them call it intermediate temporal. This means although the people them dead after them fully vaccinated, no link no dead for say the vaccine kill them. One-time police commissioner Roy Thompson dead. Him did at 88 years old. Him dead am yard sat the gun. Thompson did a police commissioner from 1991 to 1993. Him did left the Jamaica Constabulary Force JCF after him in there for 41 years. Him did get the work as Custos of Portland and him served from 2000 to 2013. Darrell Vaz, was the Member of Parliament for West Portland, said thank Mr. Thompson for the 54 years of service so him give to the Jamaican people. On top of that, him said Thompson give 14 years to the Portland people them and him thank him for that too. One woman get locked up after she dashed some chemical something on some passenger in one bus at half 3 St. Andrew this morning. The driver and 2 others get hurt. One of them in a serious condition. According to reports, around 6 in the morning, the woman and one other woman did a cussing at the bus were parked near York Plaza. After that, the woman dashed the chemical upon the other woman when knock her out. Some report said the woman get emergency surgery. The driver and 2 other passengers get burned up too. The police said them take statement from everybody who did dep on the bus. The Jamaica Public Service, JPS, a report say at the whole heap of thieving light were going in at the St. John Road community in a Spanish town, cause the people them who live there for not have no light, because a 6 transformer what did I use to give the community light burn up from the year start. The JPS said the transformer burn up because too much thieving light upon it. On top of that, JPS said them just put in the transformer on September 19, 2021. Plus, these are the 6 transformer them put in from the year start, and this cost the company more than $1.6 million. The company said more than 650 houses now have no light, but only 25 out of them houses there pay a light bill. The Kingston Western Police report that one man get shot and dead after him did in one shootout with them. Plus, one second somebody get locked up too, and the police said them take one gun when they have no license after him. The dead man, a 22 years old Gawain Wilson, who come from 2nd Street in a Trenchtown. According to the police report, little before 7 p.m., one police team stopped one bike with 2 men on it a ride at Upper 1st Street and White Street in a Trenchtown. Them said the man on the bike back boxed some shot off of them and them fire back shot. Mr. Wilson dead on the spot and them take one gun with bullet after him. Indicom said them are looking at the shooting. People, I just remember when I said the curfew run from 8 p.m. tonight and done 5 a.m. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that are the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Broadcast Jamaican just give the news in the Jamaican language.